Just about to go ferry surf. Picked up a board. I got a long board. I got a 9-foot, and I'm in a wetsuit, and I'm so nervous. I'm gonna throw up. Just got down to the beach. This is what we're working with today. I don't see a single longboarder out here, so I'm gonna be on my own. Had a panic attack and feel like a complete kook. So I'm just sitting at the shore. Once that goes, paddle out, catch the view. First time surfing, yay! Most humbling surf session of my life. Waves are not longboardable. I suck at surfing. I'm the biggest kook out there. Hopefully the conditions will get better. We probably look like crazy for surfing out here from Hawaii. Anyway, what are your thoughts? What are your thoughts?
Very humbling.
Very humbling. I saw your waves.
Yeah, they were pretty shit.
Alright, we're gonna go get some lunch now. Goodbye! Take 2. Surf is way smaller today. I feel like I should be able to make it out past the break. Wish me luck this time. Yesterday was extremely traumatizing for me. I couldn't make it out, and so we're gonna just hope that I can make it out there today. Today I'm on an 8-foot soft top. Smells like clown.
We made it! We made it!
really fast, kind of steep, picks up, and then kind of just closes out. There's Doug.
Right there. Ah, shoot. Woo! Oh.